If you listen to the experts, it takes an average of 10 minutes to mine a Bitcoin. But if you watch this video completely, then it will only take a few minutes to know what is inside a giant Bitcoin mine. But more specifically, inside Russia's largest Bitcoin mine. Because in this video, I'm going to throw light on this video mine very closely. If you want to know everything, just watch this video till the end and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. What would have imagined because of technology, from papers and pennies, some people came up with the idea of creating money that can be useful on the internet, a digital currency that people can use to purchase online. This is called cryptocurrency. Like real money, cryptocurrency also has a wide selection of currencies, and one of the very first is Bitcoin. Also popular by being the first decentralized peer-to-peer payment network. Creating a Bitcoin requires a high-power computer that does complex math that even the smartest person in the world will not be able to calculate. Many in human life has banks to store and produce cash, which is what we all use every day to buy food, bags, shoes, appliances, cars, and everything. Bitcoin, of course, also has its bank, in which they call farms or mining farms. Many countries have already built banks for Bitcoin, including China, the USA, Switzerland, where endless snow and ice fall. The Bit Driver is located in Siberia, Norilsk. The company rents a 15,000 square meter building at the brass aluminum plant that can run more than 65,000 pieces of equipment. It became an ideal place for crypto because of its climate with long cold winters, which is good for data center equipment. It is also the best alternative for a crypto company for expensive cooling types of equipment. Inside a Bitcoin mine, it is also essential to have large industrial fans which provide a cooling system to the machines inside the Bitcoin mine as they farm cryptocurrencies. This Bitcoin mine in Russia may be a massive Bitcoin mining farm, yet the electricity they produce is not as expensive as it looks. The power comes from Bratskaya hydropower plant at the Angara River. It generates electricity, which in fact is one of the cheapest in the entire world. The Russian Bitcoin mining farm is known to be the highest data center in the entire Soviet Union. Inside this Bitcoin mine, they have over 1,000 computers mining Bitcoin. It can make about 600 Bitcoins in a month, as many as 20 Bitcoins a day. 3-story packs of application-specific integrated circuit or ASIC device and power unit lines are inside the Bitcoin mine, with all a wall of 100 worth of megawatt. ASIC is a powerful mining rig produced only for use of mining. The Bitcoin mining farm is composed of an on-site engineer whose responsibility is to monitor and perform diagnostic on the ASIC devices and power units 24/7 because of the noise caused by the mining rigs and cooling fans. They are equipped with strong hearing protection to guard their ears. They also have on-site technicians which are trained and certified by Chinese mining hardware, Bitmain and Silicon. Their job as Bitcoin mining farm technicians is to carry out repairs to the mining hardware. This mining hardware is composed of 20,000 mining devices and 67,000 units. The Russian law doesn't recognize the mining of cryptocurrencies, but BitDriver isn't a mining company, technically. They instead provide equipment at the data center and technical services and offer clients tokenized contracts for mining services, which are not included to be illegal in Russian law. Just like our usual money banks, Bitcoin mining farms also have armed guards who take rounds inside that farm that contains units with a large amount of power for it to harvest cryptocurrency. As of today, BitDriver owns smaller offices in key regions like China, Japan, USA, and Dubai, which is an idea to easier accommodate Bitcoin clients from any country in the world. Would you like to visit a Bitcoin mine like this one, or would you prefer to stay away from the noise? Let us know in the comments below. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more epic videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.